Thank you for joining me. Today I have a presentation on a new fixture Signify's recently released, the SlimLux Suspended Linear. This fixture is composed of three main components: the LED light bar, hanging stems, and driver pod. These hanging stems utilize a twist and lock technology to mount directly to the T-bar grid. T-bar ceilings are undeniably a budget-friendly, low-maintenance solution for many commercial and institutional applications. In the past, this has limited our fixture selection options. Consequently, it has also sacrificed both visual comfort and style in order to maintain project budgets, schedule, and maintenance constraints. Recessed troffers were one of the few options that was both practical and affordable. SlimLux, however, brings an alternative solution to the table. It offers a higher level of design for a reduced project budget, consequently saving both time and money. SlimLux attaches directly to the main T-bar grid, and if you look at the computer screens, you'll notice that you see no glare. And while yes, this is more than likely a photoshopped image, the reason why you see no glare is SlimLux has an incredibly low UGR of 10. Traditionally in the lighting industry, we're considering low UGR to be between 17 and 19, but SlimLux weighs in at 10. So for those of you at home thinking, what is UGR? As a refresher, it stands for Unified Glare Rating, and it's a method of calculating the amount of glare produced by a luminaire. UGR has been linked to employee productivity, and poor UGR can result in headaches, fatigue, eye strain, all affecting the employee's ability to focus on the task at hand. This is critical for end users to have prior knowledge of before beginning the valued engineering process. I've been comparing recessed troffers and SlimLux a lot, but what differentiates the two? SlimLux has that incredibly low UGR of 10. It weighs 2 pounds in comparison, and it can take up to half the installation time when compared to recessed troffers. On the left, we have the traditional troffer installation with the 4x4 boxes, BX, and conduit marked on blue. And on the right, we have the conduit, 4x4 boxes, and BX whips also marked in blue. But we have the driver pod and the low voltage class 2 wiring marked in orange. What you can really see in this comparison is a substantial decrease in labor required to install and material needed to complete the SlimLux installation. It's also important to note that the SlimLux installation keeps your workers at a reduced platform, bringing down your NECA factors. SlimLux also eliminates the need to worry about what you may find in the plenum, as it takes up virtually no space except for the small remote driver pod that attaches directly to the T-bar grid. To summarize the distribution of SlimLux, it utilizes 90% uplight and 10% downlight. It's also using a wide batwing distribution, so you can really stretch out your on-center spacing. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to hear from you all very soon.